In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page background color in Microsoft Word. This is a simple yet effective way to personalize your documents, adding a bit of flair or making them more visually appealing. Let's take a step-by-step look at how you can customize your Word document's background to best fit your style or needs. First things first, you need to open the Microsoft Word document that you wish to modify. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the ribbon, which is the toolbar that runs across the top of Word. Here you will find various tabs like Home, Insert, and so on. For our task, you will need to click on the Design tab. This tab is specifically dedicated to styling and layout options, and it's where you'll find the tool we need today. After selecting the Design tab, look to the far right in the Page Background group. Here you'll see the Page Color button, which is exactly what we're looking for. Click on it, and it will present you with a palette of color options. The palette includes theme colors and standard colors. These are preset options that allow you to quickly apply a color to your entire page background. Simply click on any color and you'll see it applied instantly. And this is a quick and efficient way to add a splash of color to your document, but maybe you're looking for something a bit more specific or unique. In that case, you can select more colors from the palette. This choice brings up a color picker, a tool handy for when you need a precise hue that isn't already available in the theme or standard palettes. It gives you greater control over color selection, allowing you to get exactly the shade you desire. If you're feeling even more creative or want something different from a flat color, you'll want to explore the Fill Effects option, also located within the Page Color menu. Clicking here opens a new window offering a variety of interesting choices. You can opt for a gradient, which blends two or more colors together for a more dynamic look. Alternatively, you can use a texture, pattern, or even a picture as your page background. This can make your document stand out, especially for presentations or reports where visual impact is key. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily change the background color of your Microsoft Word document and add a personal touch or enhance its readability. The design possibilities are at your fingertips, so feel free to experiment and find the perfect background that aligns with your vision. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!